look so ugly right now, but my hair isn't, so
And we sound like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. The basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother.
Okay, so hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Definitely like feeling myself right now. This video is just a video of me showing you guys like how I be styling my frontals, because now that I start my wig business has been booming and I've been getting better and better each day. Because you see this, like, stop playing with me, stop playing. Yeah, so I haven't had like bone straight hair in like so long, and I really wanted that for the summer. And I know y'all probably like, oh, it's too hot to wear long hair, but I haven't had inches in like really my whole life. This is the longest hair I ever had. I have a 16-inch frontal and an 18, 20, and 22. And other people wear them like 26s and 30s and stuff. I don't do long hair, so this for me is like really long. It touches my butt. Already pre-dyed it, plucked it, and you know, I just made this whole wig myself. If you also don't follow my wig page yet, all the info will be in the description below on the video right here. I can't stop touching my hair, okay? This hair is Amazon vendor. It's called Long Yaho. I think I'm pronouncing that name right, but if not, you'll see it on the title. Yeah, this hair is like really affordable. It's under $120. $120? Are you serious? Y'all already know I'm always trying to ball on a budget, so this hair is so nice for the price. Like, we're just gonna jump right into this video. Hopefully it helps you, you know, if you ever want to start your wigs and do them yourself. Maybe this will help you know what to do and stuff. And yeah, so I will see you guys in like a few seconds. Let's give it a whirl. See it appears to me you like the way I move. I tell you what I'm gonna do. When you close, share my blue. So you grab your girls and you grab a couple more. You all can meet me in the middle of the coast. In the air, we stick, smelling right. To the past, to the left, we sail to the right.
Don't be so quick to walk away. That's me. I wanna rock your body. Please stay. That's me. You don't have to admit walk away. That's me. Let me rock you to the break of day. That's me. Talk to me, boy. Disrespect. I need no harm. Talk to me, boy. I can't wait to have you in my arms. Talk to me, boy. Hurry up, it's taking too long. Talk to me, boy. By the end of this song, so what did you come for? It's over you. Yes, me. Yeah. Come on, baby. It's the quick to walk away. Come on, dance me. Rock your body, rock your body. Come on, dance me. You love to dance, you like to dance. Dance me. Rock you, good to me. Come on, dance me. Talk to me, boy. This I mean, talk to me, boy. I can't be in my arms. Talk to me, boy. Hurry up, wait too long. Talk to me, boy. Have you She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did have a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light.